Hi guys, with another video. Today I'm gonna show this motor that how they made it. Let's open the inside. I just took it out the two screw. There was a two screw here, and after that, what we're gonna do? Just hit the here, as you see, right there, and hit the other one right there. All right, it opens. As you see, inside all copper. As you see, right, other side too. This is the right. Wow, whatever is it? I don't know. Okay. Oh, this is it. And if you want to take it out the copper from inside, you can do it. Let me try how can you take it out from inside, but I think it's hard. It's gonna take time to do that. Yeah, maybe. Well, let's try for a short time. Let's see. A little closer. I don't know. Wow. Yeah, seems it's hard. It's gonna take so much time to take it out, all this copper. So that reason I just give up on this. Maybe with another video, maybe I might do it. Let me hit a little bit. But no, it's hard to come out. Yeah, okay guys, thank you for watching and see you soon with the another video. All right, bye.